Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. After a long time I am recording this video. In this video I will explain about the overall confusion in BBMA strategy. Mostly members in Telegram at my Telegram channel, they are asking about the confusion in codes, trend identification, and the re-entries validation, which re-entry is valid and which re-entry is invalid. So in this video I am going to explain, and one thing more, I am going to explain about the new traders who are learning the BBMA strategy. In BBMA strategy there are lots of opportunity, lots of patterns which are giving us entries. So that's the main reason where our traders are making mistakes and they are getting confusion. So before going to that one, we need to explain about the trend identification. First of all, in BBMA we are using the EMA 50. The EMA 50 we are using for trend identification. In this EMA 50 we are using it for trend identification, and we have three areas. Three time frames. Till H4 we are from daily to monthly. It's major trend, and from H4 to H1 it's minor trend. When the EMA 50 is below the price and the market is moving above the EMA 50, it means that we have a bullish trend. But we need to focus on the time frame, that what time frame we are trading. If you are trading on H4 time frame, then it's minor trend, and if we are using daily, monthly, weekly and monthly, it means that we are using on high time frame. So the trend is major trend, and we can make several swing re-entries, or also we can easily make a re-entries on with the help of trend identification. So basically overall, let me summarize. The main trend identification is EMA 50, also momentum, early CST, that's a part of the trend changing directions. But when the price is above the EMA 50 and the market is making momentum, so it means that we have a bullish trend and we can make a re-entries. In this GBP USD H4 chart, you can see here, also here, why we are making these re-entries, because here you can see why these re-entries are valid. Now first of all, here we have EMA 50 below the price. That means the market is above the EMA 50, so the trend is bullish. Now if you focus on the Bollinger Band, it's expanding, so the buy re-entries are valid. But before going to take this re-entries, you must need to confirm these entries here, and here on second time frame, and also in third time frame. So we have our, let me change the color. We have REE, REM after CST, swing re-entries with the help of EMA 50, ZZL, zero zone loss, nuclear setup, big lots entries, so and many more. So mostly students are getting confusion when they are making the entry on REM, REE, entry after CST, swing, zero zone loss, nuclear, big lots, BMWs, etc. Many more re-entries. There are several types, but they are beginners, and you didn't master the BBMA strategy. So my suggestion is to clear all the confusion. First of all, you need to choose few shorts, few codes, REE or REM, or after the CST, both. Then when you making money with that, then go to swing re-entries, then after that zero zone loss, nuclear setups, big lots. But without the zero zone loss, nuclear setups, big lots, opportunities, swing re-entries, you can easily make money with the REE or REM. Mostly my members, they are passing their challenge without making any advanced setups. They are just trading on basics, because once you master the basic, you can easily catch the advanced setup, because you open several pairs, like 5 to 6 pairs or 7 to 8 pairs, and there are lot of opportunities on single time frame. Suppose there is a re-entry on H4, so maybe you can easily you can also see a re-entry, a zero zone loss re-entry on M15. So that will make you more confused, and you will make more losses, because BBMA is not an easy strategy to make to master it. You need discipline, you need to go step by step. On the current chart, you can see here re-entry after the CSM. But you can let me clear it more. This one is also a swing opportunity, because if you study the EMA 50, the power of EMA 50 swing trading strategy in my playlist, you can easily learn this trick, that when the market break the EMA 50 with full body CSM candle, then the market will retrace back for the re-entry. So that re-entry as a swing re-entry, you can make a good pips with that re-entry. Sometimes it may hit your stop loss, because no single strategy is 100% accurate. Every strategy has some drawbacks, because we are retail and we are not a market maker or market controller. So we just go with the waves, and we follow the market waves, and we can and catching pips with BBMA strategy. So this is the overall confusion about the BBMA when the beginners start and learning BBMA strategy. After learning one code, they are making profits. When they are gaining more knowledge, they are getting more confusion. So this is a common problem for all. So in this video I explained that you need to go step by step and learn it properly, so easily you can make a good pips with BBMA strategy. For the next lesson, stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching the video.